The present perfect with since, for, already, and ago. In this video, we are going to explore how to use the present perfect with since, for, already, and ago. I am your English coach, Mr. Suru. So I'm here today to break down these four elements, these four situations, using the present perfect with since, for, already, and ago. So we use the present perfect with since, for instance, to show the starting point of an action which is happening. We use this present perfect with since to show the starting point of an action which is happening. Example, you can say, since this morning, since last year, since 2025, since 2024. We can say, Mary has worked here since 2024. John has come here since this morning. And the present perfect with for, we use the present perfect with so to show a period of time in which an action happened in the past. You understand? Again, the present perfect with for is used to show a period of time in which an action happened in the past. So, example, we can say for 2 weeks, for 3 months, for 2 hours, for 5 years. Example again, we can say Mary has worked here for 2 months. I have been to London for 3 years. They have worked here for 2 or 3 or 7 months like that. And the present perfect with ago is used to show the starting point of an action, but an action that happened in the past since a long time ago. All right, because that one we use ago. For instance, we can say 5 years ago, 7 years ago, 2 hours ago, 2 months ago. I have done my homework since 2 hours ago. All right. So they have lived in London 5 years ago. They have moved to America 5 months ago. Or 5 months ago, they have gone to Britain. And the present perfect with already, we use the present perfect with already to solve an action that is already finished in the past. Understand? Because it's written already. We use the present perfect with already to solve an action that is finished and we can never repeat that action again. For instance, we can say, I have already eaten. That means I have finished to eat. For finished things, we use the present perfect with already. Example, John has already written. Mary has already left. You know, this is the present perfect. Next time, I'll be talking about the past perfect. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you next time.